Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, May 30th, 1999, 8 am. The earth is an immense breeding ground where many species grow and multiply. It is a rather remarkable observation field. With regard to mankind, there are many observations to make. There is a really ground for amazement. What diversity, what subtlety in intention, in the reactions as well as in the sense of dissimulation of some people. This is specific to human beings. No other species are equally complicated, unexpected, and calculating. There are rare specimens to be studied. It is amazing. Other kingdoms, animal, vegetable, mineral, that also have an active life, look like stuffed mummies. Should one conclude from this that evolution as we understand it does not yield anything good? It is rather disturbing. We must pay attention more particularly to this category of human beings who carry refinement very far to the point of complexity. Very fortunately, nothing is lost. All can change in the right direction. Our comments are of a general nature. This should be underlined. All the same, there are some sources of great satisfaction. Abhasis being, of course, a special category, protected in an evolutionary process as we understand it, that is in Sahaj Marg. That sets our mind at rest. We can, as far as they are concerned, leave the microscope to one side and reassure ourselves on the evolving of this population. It is most anxious to change and to please us. Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, May 30th, 1999, 10 am. The medium asks, Babuji, although I belong to the group, your humor delights me. I will all the more keep a check on myself. You can do so, but you are not concerned with it. The humans are actors born to play in a large scale theatre production where masterpieces are performed permanently. The biggest theatres in the world are mere amateurish playing fields. The human comedy cannot replicate within the limits of these closed places, however gifted the actors may be. There is nothing to compare with the naturalness which is expressed among you every day across all genres. The specialized critics who take up these pains, comfortably installed in an armchair at the expense of their fellow men, earn their living cheaply. They too are the characters of this immense tragicomedy. Vice and virtue take on their true meaning only through reality. We will finish on a more optimistic note about mankind. Many beings of considerable merit struggle all their lives to help their neighbors. They act with conviction to change the world. They often drain themselves of strength to bring about changes at all levels. In the laws at the national and international level, with a view to helping humanity as well as in many other areas. They are wonderful. Such beings of exception have always existed, but they seem more numerous now. The collective consciousness is awakening slowly, but some progress has been already made in the right direction. We support them in their actions and we bless them as well as all of you. Open your eyes, go beyond your small person. There is so much to do, that is all. Babuji Maharaj.